Hello rail fans, and welcome back to another French Fried Trains Minecraft build showcase, where we take a look back at some older builds that newer subscribers might not know we have done. And this is the NS VIRM, or VIRM, I'm not sure how to pronounce it, and this is a very uniquely looking double-decker passenger train from the Netherlands, and it's pretty cool. And you'll see as we come around here, this side has a completely different paint scheme. I actually built it once and then did a later video showing how to reskin it to the other paint scheme. And remember, if you want to build this train, there is a full tutorial for it already up on the channel. I'll have that linked in the description if you want to build this. And as with all my builds, there is a full interior on this. So we have a driver's cab here, and they are double-decker, so on this car we'll see the bottom floor here, which is just a bunch of seats, of course. You can't fit too much detail at a 3-block wide space. And at the back of the car we have a bathroom here. And then the next car is just all seats. We'll go on the top of this one just to show you that the top has seats as well. And that block's not supposed to be there, so I just discovered a mistake. And the version that we built is 4 cars long here. So we have another car that's the same as the last one. And this is an electric multiple unit train. And then at the other end, we have the 4th car, which is another cab car here, but facing the opposite way, so it's all the same. And like I said, if you want to build this, there is a tutorial up for it already, which will be linked in the description. So I just wanted to show this off. And thanks for watching, and everyone, have a great week.